Killer deal today for you guys. Black Friday is the last day. Kima-san, and big shout out to Warmonger. Make sure you guys check them out at the Instagrams. They're the OGs. So make sure you guys run. If you're in the state of Nevada and Arizona, that's where they posted that these stores are. I didn't know the stores existed. These are Cow Ranch stores. There's one locally here, but unfortunately I already have these tools. Killer deal, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, it's the Black Friday 3-day sale. There's only 3 days. This is the last day. They just posted this. Yes, right here. It's $199. If you guys look at here, biggest deal, $199, $200 off, guys. Yes, you're getting this for $200 off. You're getting two 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, a hard case, the brand new Gen 4 impact driver, the brand new Gen 4 hammer drill. Killer deal, guys. Original price $399 down to $199. Go get them if you have one nearby. Yeah, if you don't have these tools, don't pass, because that's a killer deal, once in a lifetime type of deal. No hacks needed, nothing. Just go to the store, pick it up, and you're done with it. Yes, today is the last day, 27th. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description to this ad. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.